Currently here at an overview of our Lake Mead, just prior to getting to the Hoover Dam, and go down there and take a look-see this afternoon. But this is what the lake looks like at this area here. It's just really shallow. And over here is what used to be the railroad network that went down to the Hoover Dam. So that shaft that you see there, that's where the trains would have been going back and forth, taking materials in and out of here. Hey guys, my name's Chris, and welcome to today's installment of the Camper Dan Files. In today's video, we'll be visiting the Hoover Dam. We'll also be running a 4x4 trail, and at the end, we're going to go ahead and stop by the lake. So one of the cool things about this topography, guys, is that when you're at the dam, you're technically on the border between Nevada and Arizona. So once we get to where this sign is, we're no longer in the state of Nevada. Isn't that crazy?
Welcome to Arizona.
Welcome to the Hoover Dam. So where this staircase is, the very end of it, the last time I was here, that's where the water line was.
Wow.
I also encourage you to make a wish when you're here, as you can see. So all the change that people have been pitching over the side to make a wish. Get back on the other side. And that's the road that leads down to the actual level of the That's the rest of the trail. Damn, look at where that rock decided to put itself. Why you do that for a rock? Make me go all the way on the edge. You know I don't like to live on the edge.
Literally.
Oh, this is fun, but it can be really dangerous if you're not careful. Very, very limited margin for error here. Toward its speed, that's the way to go. Oh, there you go. There you try, you'll die. It's late Sunday afternoon. It's 5:45. Rain has sprung, and we're definitely taking advantage. Here's the daylight savings. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's some big ruts here. I hope I can clear it. I'm gonna try and stay to the right. Pick the right line. Don't run into those ruts. Avoid them if you can. Because our limited slip, it's a little on the weak side. Unless you have a 96 to 99 R50, then you'll have somewhat of a stronger limited slip. But for those of us 2001 to 2004, our limited slip, it's still good. It still works for me and what I encounter, but for some people, it might not be enough. And you might want to look into doing upgrades. And there's nothing wrong with that, because that's what it's all about. Where it concerns making the vehicle yours. That's going to make it better and perform better.
It's like taking a safari ride, but in the desert. Like, okay guys, welcome to the desert topography in Arizona. So on the right, you see a rock. And on the left, you see more rocks. No, I'm just kidding. And some cacti.
And we see sand and dirt.
It's better to be going slower. Unfortunately, we didn't see anything animal related, but really cool place. Now we're gonna go down to the lake. Getting here kind of late. It's about 7 p.m. There's a few waterfowl here. Paired ducks. Supposed to be some old World War II wreckage here in these waters too. I don't know how far off the shoreline, but somewhere over here. Alleged. All the people that are here. Some people staying, some people leaving. We even seen a schoolie with a rooftop deck, which I think is pretty awesome. I envy its owner. Wish I had a setup like that.
Not bugs. We are not bugs. I promise we're not bugs. Oh God.
I'm trying to film this guy, but he's all over the place. He's eating the bugs.
He's like, yum yum. He's so evil.
Hey, stay still. I'm trying to film you.
He's so evil.
Where'd he go?
Went onto one of us, and the bat came down and ate the bug and part of our hair.
I don't want it to come down and eat none of us. Look at it, it's so little. Go away.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.